Instinct Survivalist coming at you again with another video. This time, well, apparently it's a year later according to Google. I apologize for that just because life got in the way and that's the way it went. So I got a mail call from the Survival University. The Survival University is where we go and teach every year in Colorado. We teach WFA, WFR, and they have a bazillion other classes going on as well, including their 50-day program, which includes the WFR. Imagine that. So Wilderness First Responder, if you're interested. Great and exciting news coming about that later, not necessarily about the one in Colorado, all I'm saying. Anyway, mail call here today is some good stuff. Anyway, these items, yes, plural, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them. We'll do that on this video. You're gonna see some teaser videos as well, just because, well, apparently people like that. That's not to supersede anything that we're doing from a review perspective, but definitely one of those to get you to going, oh, hey, that's cool. Anyway, these three items, I've already cut off the tape to make it easier, I hope, to undo. They definitely have made it nice and secure. That's the best way to put it. All right, so in this, again, the three items that we're looking at. Number one, the Spirit. This is the Spirit. Now, what I want you to notice about this is the Kydex sheath along with the Cordura sheath parts as well. So you get a nice belt loop, you get ferro rod holder, you get multiple tie-out points, so you can either, put it, do it side draw, back draw, even put a dangler on there if you want. And it is a full tang knife. All of these are supposed to be full tang. I'm just going to verify that they are as well, so you'll hear me say it again. But this is the Spirit. This is the smaller of the group. Look at that. Nice little drop to the tip of it. Got the Survival University logo on there. Hey, shout out to Ruben Rodriguez, and the reason being is because I know that he designed these things, especially, I'll just say the Gallantry, and leave it at that. All right, so there's that one. You've got nice packing peanuts that I don't have to deal with right this second, but I am. This is the Courage. There we go. The Courage. You'll notice I'm pulling them out in a specific way because I want to build up to the Gallantry, right? This is the Courage. You've got the same sheathing on all of these. Double ferro rods if you want to look at it that way, or one long one. And then again, the Kydex is holding in. I think this was just at 6 inches, maybe just a hair shy. Fits, well, that fits nice. Fits very nice. Again, full tang. Sweet, sweet. The thing I like about this is it's got a push out for the sheath. So push out for that, make it a little easier for undoing. There we go. Hear the click, that's it. And again, the same strapping system, so you can do it side draw or dangle or whatever you want to do. Now this is the Gallantry. Go to the Survival University Instagram account and you will see Ruben actually doing a nice little demonstration of this blade. Now, this is the Gallantry. Dun, 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 dun. Nice one-handed fit. This does not have the thumb piece on it, but you got enough meat to pull, so not a big problem. Fits great one-handed, but it also has a nice little place if you want to grab it lower, should you need to do so, or grab it double-handed. I don't see me doing it double-handed. But why do you need something this big? Well, if you're familiar with some of the other ones on the market, it's good for bushwhacking. Ruben's video on the Survival University Instagram account actually shows it in a martial arts perspective. So you get to see it from a kind of a self-defense mechanism, if you will. So same type of thing. I don't know that I would ever do this as a cross draw, but the Cadura is still there if I want to do it that way. Also makes it to where I can do it upside down. You've got tie-out points all along it. I mean, just sweet. All right, Bill, shut up. It's also full tank. Shut up, Bill. Just show the damn thing. Okay, you asked for it. Sharp edge, hooks back. How you like that? And for those of you that are familiar with swords, you also have the blood tray. All right, so just as a by the way. This is, in my opinion, the mini sword. Awesome design, Ruben. Way to go, buddy. Yeah, I like that. Wait to play with this one. Anyway, yeah, and I would see that me doing it lower to get a nice little wrist for chopping, things of that nature. But again, we're going to do individual videos on each of these. This is just the unboxing. I love the taper in the handle so that it gets a better grip without hurting anything, specifically my big meaty hands. But we're going to do each one of these individually. We'll go through costs, we'll go through what I think of it, and then again, always we'll put a link in the description below so that you can get those. I'll go and put a description in this one as well, so that you can, if you wanted to, go ahead and purchase them without seeing anything on the video. Now, what I will say about these, I know where these were manufactured. These are manufactured, these are Condor knives. So for many of you, that may be a deal breaker, or a oh hell yeah, because it's less expensive than some of the bigger knife makers out there. Regardless of which way you look at it, Condor's always done some great work, in my opinion. That is my opinion. If you don't agree, then that's okay. No ill will. But it is one of those where I'm a fan of them. I'm a fan of their work. I'm a fan of the blades themselves. Just from all the different things that I've encountered throughout the years. So that being said, we're going to stop here. We'll do each one of them individually. Keep looking forward to those. It may take me a minute because I'm now no longer in corporate America. I'm now basically contract working my butt off, doing pretty good, plus trying to get some other things off the ground, which there'll be more on that later. But keep watching the channel. Again, I do apologize for the delay. Keep watching the channel, and we'll get you some other things back. Okay, so meaning that we'll get you more videos, we'll get some more posts, we'll get back into the groove of things now that I don't have 80-hour work weeks that I have to deal with. So, all right, that's all there is. Anyway, until then, use your instincts to survive, and thanks.